How to fix Facebook Messenger can't access that chat, easy and quick fix 2026. Are you seeing the can't access that chat error on Messenger? This usually happens due to privacy settings, account issues, or temporary app glitches. Here's how to fix it. Fix 1. Check if the chat is still available. Sometimes this error appears when the person deleted the conversation, you were removed from a group, the account was deactivated or blocked. Try opening another chat to confirm Messenger is working normally. Fix 2. Update the Messenger app. Open the Play Store or App Store. Search for Messenger. Tap Update if available. Outdated versions can cause chat loading problems. Fix 3. Clear cache for Android. Go to Phone Settings /apps/Messenger. Tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Then reopen the app. Fix 4. Log out and log back in. Open Messenger, tap your profile icon, scroll down and tap Log Out. Sign in again. This refreshes your account session. Fix 5. Check internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off. Weak internet can prevent chats from loading. Quick summary. Update app /clear cache /relogin /check chat availability /fix internet connection. These steps usually fix the Messenger can't access that chat problem quickly.